Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to make earrings. So today we are making these earrings. As you can see, they are easy to make, beautiful. So let's get into that video right away. We are going to start with a chain of 9. I'm using a 2mm crochet hook. Chain 9. Slip stitch into the first one. Chain 2. In this hole we're going to make print 4 double crochet, that's 1, continue making double crochet into the hole until when you get to 24 double crochets, and I'll meet you back here. After completing our 24 double crochets into the hole, you're going to slip stitch onto the first one, chain 1, that's this part done, this white part. Now we are going on to this next part. For this one I'm going to use a different color. I'm not going to use blue. So we are going to chain our first, make a chain of 9 like we did with the first one. That's 2, before you slip stitch into the first one, you're going to get your 24 double crochets you made earlier into this hole, pass this through like this, and then you are going to slip stitch and join this together. Here, like that. Fasten this, chain 2 like we did on the first one. Now into this you're going to make 24 double crochets. That's 1, you make 24 double crochet all around this, and I'll meet you back right here. So here we are with our next part finished. Now we are going to add, if you want, you can add on this beautiful edging. If you don't want, you can leave it the way it is and add on your earring holder. Just you find the middle of this and put this holder there. So that's it. For this, let me show you how I made this beautiful edging. Finish, chain one into the next, slip stitch. Have to be careful since you're using a very tiny yarn, so a very tiny hook size. This is 2mm. Chain one, slip stitch, chain one, chain one. Oh, sorry. Slip stitch, chain one, like that all around. So when you reach this point where you're going to put your earring holder, you're going to do a single crochet, chain two, then slip stitch, into the same space, then continue and finish up to here where you started from. Like that, chain one and continue. Here we are. It's done. It's finished. This is our earring. You can see how beautiful they look. It is so easy to make. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a comment. If you have a question, just type it below and I'll be answering you. Thank you. Bye bye.